I'm Roy with Impress Computers. Last week I showed a nice little docking station that you can use to set up 3 external monitors with any laptop that has a USB-C connection. Now I've got 2 completely different computers this time, and I want to show you how easy it is to hook these up. Now this is a Lenovo ThinkBook. It has a USB-C connector that also charges the laptop. Everything goes through this small docking station and enables 3 external monitors as well as the built-in screen for the laptop. Now, if you don't need to look at the laptop screen, the nice thing about this is you can close the lid and that one goes away. Then you have a 3 monitor system without having to look at the laptop at all. You open it up again, and it becomes a 4 monitor setup. The cursor moves up from the laptop and then across to span the 3 externals. Now that we've looked at this nice Lenovo ThinkBook, let's try the same thing with a completely different Lenovo model. Different specs. The only thing it has in common with the first one is it has a USB-C connector. So, again, I've got 3 external displays and the internal laptop display. The cursor can move up to the middle display and then span numbers 1 and 3. If I close the lid, wait a few seconds, it will reconfigure itself to a 3 monitor display. And as you can see, the cursor spans all 3. And now you can use a mouse and an external keyboard. Again, both of these work through the same little docking station. $219. It's made by Lenovo. It will charge your laptop and run 3 external displays. It'll also receive the wired Ethernet connector. It does sound, and it gives you lots more USB ports. It's a great deal. Thank you. I'm Roy with Impress Computers.